To transfer PNB from Binance to Crypto.com, start by opening the Binance app and selecting the wallet option at the bottom of the screen. Then, switch to your spot account to view all the cryptocurrencies in your account. Select BNB and click on the digital button at the bottom of the screen. In the pop-up window, choose the option to send via crypto network. Next, open Crypto.com. Click on the transfer button, or navigate to the accounts option and select crypto wallet to find the transfer option. Choose BNB or Binance Coin from the list of cryptocurrencies, and you will be able to obtain your wallet address. Select the desired network, such as BEP2 or BEP20, and click on the icon next to your wallet address to copy it. Return to the Binance app. Paste the wallet address, and select the same network you chose on Crypto.com. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and click the digital button to complete the transfer.